Hello everyone, holiday season is here and let's make some decorations for Christmas or maybe New Year. So for this task I will use Tinkercad, and Tinkercad is Autodesk product, and you can go and check this application. It's free for everybody, and you can create 3D models using this application. If you want to learn basics, how to do basic moves and how to create basic shapes, and you are totally new in 3D design world, you can check this learning center and you can try these lessons. And these lessons will explain all the basic components and things, how to use this application. So in this video I will not go deep in all these basic functions, and I will just create some specific decorations for the holiday season. So to do decorations, I will use this template. So this is template for the glasses, and it's called Glasses for Christmas and New Year. So you can copy link and use this template, and it's a public template, and you can use it for yourself. And the link you can check here. You can copy or scan this QR code, and you will be able to open this template. Also, I will add this template in video description. When you open the template, you can click Tinker this. And this model opens. Here you can see glasses frame, and we will put some decorations on this glasses frame. So to put decorations, you can use some basic shapes from right side menu. Here are basic shapes. You can switch and go through all these shape galleries on the right side by clicking here. And also you can use search to search for the shapes. So first let's add some text, and I will click it with left mouse and move the mouse cursor to the workplane. If I move it on the object, it will grab object sides and can put the text in awkward position. I would like to place this object completely on workplane. And also I can use shortcut Hold C to place the shape on workplane. So let's say if I move here and I hold C, it always places it on workplane. So I want to place it here on the workplane. Also, I can just move the mouse cursor to empty place and place it here. So always read some comments here on bottom left side of your screen, and the program is communicating with you, providing some tips how to use the program. And here for the text, let's type 2026. And also you can change the text style. Let's use this one, and you can move the number on the glasses. Important part is to place the text to such position it touches all the numbers and the frame is touching, so it after printing it can connect to the object. Now if you want to increase the size, you can use these squares, and you can enter specific dimensions. If you want to change height of element, you can move object by using this this arrow, or you can change the size by dragging this square on this position. Also, you can type specific dimensions in millimeters. And here is the number placed on my glasses. Next one, I would like to change color. Let's set the color maybe this one. And I would like to change the color of my glasses. I can select color from color map, and I can enter RGB color or other color specific numbers here, or I can use preset from this list, and in this case let's use this color. So here I have my glasses with number of coming new year. Now let's put some additional decorations. For this one, I would like to check maybe some Christmas decorations, and here you can see some decorations are available, and I can place decoration here and also okay, let's place this gift box on my glasses. Let's click C to place it here, and I would like to put this decoration also here, and if I hold shift it will increase and decrease the size, taking in consideration the proportions of object. And let's put it here, and I will lift it a little bit. So here I have my Christmas decoration. Let's change size a little bit more so it doesn't block my visibility area, and let's change the color. Okay, so my glasses are prepared, and now I can save it and send it to my 3D printer. I have Bambu Lab 3D printer, so to get this file suitable for 3D printer, I should use export. I can select 3D printer manufacturer or platform by selecting 3D print. From here, I don't see Bambu Lab, so I cannot export this file into specific Bambu Lab file format. I can export to specific file formats or specific platforms. So I will need to use default or open source file formats from download list. To have colors on my 3D model, I need a specific format OBJ or GLB. If colors is not important for me, I can export in STL file format. I would like to print using colors, so I will use OBJ. And in my browser, I will get notification what the zip file is downloading. I can save it, and after the file is downloaded, I need to extract it and get a 3D model. Let's click open. Inside zip, you will find two files. One is main OBJ file, and another file is MTL file format. So MTL file format in most cases explains OBJ which texture or color files to use. So always OBJ file goes with a couple of files, MTL and also texture files if you use specific texture for your model. In my case, I'm using basic colors, so I don't need additional texture file, and color codes are implemented in these files. So let's place these files in Windows Explorer so I can import them inside my 3D printer slicing application. Inside Documents folder, I have a 0-3D printing folder, and this folder I will name Glasses for Christmas and New Year, and will extract the files in this location. If you want, you can edit these files using text editor. Let's edit in Notepad, and here you can see all this information is basic text and numbers, and if you want you can edit these numbers and the model will be changed. So it's open source file format which can be modified using text editor. And let's open MTL file, and here you can see some specific color information is provided here in this file. Color definition for Tinker OBJ file. If you want to rename these files, be careful because they are linked based on the file name. So if you change the name, you need also update the MTL file so it understands and also OBJ file understands where to read information. So be careful. Okay, so let's open Bambu Lab Studio, and in this slicing application I will prepare my glasses for 3D printing. To insert the file, I can click File, Import, Import OBJ file is located here, or I can use shortcut Ctrl+E. So let's open the folder and select OBJ file, and let's click Open. So now the program recognizes basic colors which is used in my 3D model and suggests some matching colors here, and for me it's okay, and I can approve this option and I can click OK. Let's click OK. So here you can see my glasses are inside the slicer. I can click Slice Plate. And from here you can see the printing will take 8 hours. And yeah, after 8 hours my glasses will be prepared and will be printed for me. Also I have wiping tower, and I am using Bambu Lab A1 Mini, so it will be using purging and creates some waste material. So in total I will have 260 filament changes, so the cost about 2.2 euros. and materials, model, finish, tower, total. So for materials I will use 89 grams of material. Okay, and now I can select option from here, or I can just click print plate and the printer will start. So I selected print plate. On my printer I have only 4 colors as a default, and in my model I have 5 colors, so I need to attach additional AMS module so I can print with more colors, or I can separate object to different parts and print them separately and later glue these parts together. So if all the settings are suitable for me, I can click send. So till we wait while the model is printing, we can play some games and run some simulations in Tinkercad. So in Tinkercad we can activate Sim Lab. After Sim Lab is activated, I can select which objects I would like to use to throw into my model. So I will select some Christmas decorations. Next one, I can select some basic settings for my environment. I can select the scale of objects. I can select additional parameters, friction, restitution, and density of objects, gravity, size. I can select different planets and select materials and colors. So I will use default settings here. After everything is set up, I can activate simulation. Let's use mouse wheel and zoom out so I can see all the setup. And let's activate simulation. I need to click this play simulation button, or I can use space as a shortcut. So here you can see my objects are now moving, and I can drop all these elements, decorations, and try to remove these parts from the building plate. So it's quite fun and interesting simulation. I can reset and run again and just throw random objects to my model, and the gravity will work and all my objects will fall down from my modeling plate. Let's go and look how my printing is going. Okay, so I see my print is done. Of course, I printed some parts separately, so this colorful part I printed separately because it has a lot of colors, and the glasses have separate snowflake here. And let's also check how the simulation works. my glasses are printed and assembled, so I wish you a happy new year, and let's meet in my channel next year for more design tips, tricks, and let's have a nice celebration.